Hey guys, welcome to the Tenorshare AI's channel. This is Elon Musk with the body of Dwayne Johnson, and this is Dwayne Johnson in Titanic. These are real. No, that's a joke. It's actually all deeply fake videos. All it takes is only some AI tools to achieve a face swap like that. In today's video, we will share how to use AI to create interesting face swap videos. Let's dive in. Actually, face swap videos are already very popular like Elon Musk and Zuckerberg's, but these are outdated, and I'm sure this one will blow your mind even more.
有些人说，这个直播换脸它的效果不是很好。我现在用的就是这个直播实时录像。那么直播的话，它这个其实已经是很完善的，包括像这种捏脸什么的，它都是一个常规操作。这个东西是不会破相的，就是包括什么戴口罩啊，或者这个吃个饭什么的。
Yes, it's a real-time face swap, and it's natural and smooth enough. I really like face swapping technology because it allows us to create many interesting things. So, do you want to know how to swap face? For face swap and images, I use Remaker AI. It's very easy to use. First, go to the official website of Remaker AI. After signing up, we will get 30 credits. Upload an original image here. Then upload target face. Click swap. Each face swap will only consume 1 credit. Then we will get the muscle version of Elon Musk. Really interesting. It's also possible to swap multiple faces at the same time, as well as video face swapping. But to use video face swap, you first need to upgrade your account. I didn't want to spend money, so I found a tool that allows you to change faces in video for free, which is Akool. Come to the official website of Akool. Next, click Join our free trail. Choose Face Swap. After registering, we will get 100 credits. Here we can see that every 10 seconds of video will consume 10 credits, and then click here to upload your video. After you analyze the video, we can see this interface. Here we can upload the target face. Here's the face detected in the video. We click on it and then select the target face. Over here we can redefine the age. It can be a little older or a little younger. Below you can enhance the face. But if you want to use this feature, you need to upgrade your account first. Then click on High Quality Face Swap. We can find our video in the library and can download it when face swapped is done. Now let's see the face swap video together. Although these face swapping tools are very powerful, there are still some privacy and security issues. If you want to change your own face, it is inevitable that you need to upload your own photos to these platforms. And if the deepfake technology like real-time face swap develops, then it will be very difficult for us to distinguish the real from the fake on the network. So we will definitely need regulatory to prevent AI from affecting the real world. Do you like face swapping technology? Let me know what you think in the comments section. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.